What's up, Paradise Crew? My name's Griff.
And I'm Alyssa.
And today, we wanted to give you guys a review, a breakdown of our 31-day challenge. So just to give you guys a little bit of a breakdown of our YouTube channel and why we started, we actually started in May 2017. We weren't very consistent. We went on a couple of cruises and we decided to make videos for you guys. But then we stopped posting for about 7 months.
So we decided to do a 31-day video challenge. So that's us making a video and posting every single day. And boy, was it a challenge.
What's up, Paradise Crew? What's up, Paradise Crew?
Hello, Paradise Crew.
My name's Griff.
And I'm Alyssa. Ow, sit.
Today, we're gonna talk about whether you should Now,
Or a specific region of the world?
there's a few... Oh, I just wanna be done with this.
The water is pretty warm. Not the water. The weather is pretty warm. Why can't I do this?
I had my day yesterday.
Yeah, we all know. Oh.
So challenging.
So I have a full-time office job where I sit at a desk from 8:30 to 5, and I volunteer on the worship team at church, and Griff volunteers by taking photos for church. We have to keep up our fitness and try to find time with our friends, so that leaves very little time for filming, editing, and posting.
This challenge has taught me that this is a full-time thing. Editing photos, editing videos, posting photos, engaging with you guys, commenting back, and we love it. And it's definitely a full-time job.
It is. And we would love to make it our full-time job, but we need a little bit of help. So we created a Patreon account. And if you don't know what Patreon is, it's kind of like a subscription service to our channel to help supplement everything else that we get through YouTube.
Now, this isn't to be confused with things like GoFundMe or a Kickstarter campaign. And in order to sweeten this deal a little bit, because personally I believe in earning help instead of just, flat out asking, we're gonna offer limited time discounts. We'll still be doing behind the scenes, but we'll also be offering exclusive, let's call it, perks inside of this Patreon. So free wallpapers that won't be available on our site for free. You'll be able to vote exclusively on some of our trips coming up that aren't posted on our Facebook group. You'll get first look access to some of our t-shirt designs and all sorts of other things that I really think you guys will enjoy.
So if you're interested at all, I will link the Patreon account in our description box below and you can check it out for yourself. And now for the stats from our challenge. We started off with 450 subscribers on July 1st. And right now we have 635 subscribers. That's 185 subscribers in 31 days.
Crushed it.
We crushed it.
By our standards.
Well, I thought we crushed it.
I thought we did great.
And our views went from 70,000 to 86,000 views. That's pretty good.
I like it.
Yeah. For our little channel, I think it's great.
Our little community. We did good, guys.
And we gained some awesome friends along the way.
Now, here comes the good news. Based on all the success and those stats from our channel, we've actually decided to begin posting every single day after our cruise.
Yeah.
After. So once we have the content that we have acquired that we need to post throughout the few months that we have remaining in the year, you'll start seeing us daily. Daily vids, y'all.
Every day.
Every freaking day.
But in the meantime, now we only have 2 weeks now. Next week and then the week of our cruise. You'll see us post about 3 to 4 videos for those weeks. So, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any.
Please, it helps out a lot. Now, in order to persuade you even further to turn on that notification bell, thumbs up, give us a like, subscribe if you haven't already. We have some pretty cool stuff coming out for you guys, like Alyssa's top 5 bucket list. Or is it top 3? Is it top 5 or top 3?
It's probably like top 7 at this point.
Top 7, like the top 7 ships she wants to take if money wasn't an option. It's a fun game we're gonna play with you guys. Another thing that we're doing is, oh, I can't tell them that. Can't tell them that. Sorry, I can't tell you guys that.
But I can tell you that we will be going live the night before our trip. So if you watched our last vlog, we've kind of announced it already, but if you missed it, here's the announcement again. So on Thursday, August 9th at 8 p.m. Eastern, we will be going live and we're going to talk about everything that we are going to be doing on the Freedom of the Seas. So if you have questions or you're really anxious to see what we have planned, hop on over, come say hi, and we'll chat about it for a little while. So turn on that notification bell so you don't miss it.
Turn it on. And in closing this video, and obviously continuing with our question of the day, what was your favorite video we posted out of these 31 days? Let us know in the comment section below.
Yes, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.